welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on body odour, such as if you have strong odour underneath your armpit area, you seem to shower every morning, every night, but you seem to always have that like tinge of a really bad smell. The natural remedy for that problem is lemon. This is a freshly cut lemon from the kitchen. And what this does, it helps to reduce your pH and makes your body a bit more inhabitable. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply this underneath your arms every morning and every night. I'm going to show you the application as I'm about to get in the shower now. And any comments, don't forget to comment below because I'll always answer your questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, just a quick reminder, remember to do it every morning and every night because the aim is to reduce your bad body odour. Once you start applying this, you're going to see a huge dramatic change, and it's going to reduce your sweat levels as well. So if you're a person that seems to sweat a lot, more than the average person, this is the remedy for you, and this has actually worked for me. This has a lot of aiding for the skin, such as blemishes. If you have any blemishes, dark marks, anything that you want to get rid of naturally, this is the best solution. And I'm going to show you how to apply this underneath your arm and show you the direct application. So guys, all you do is just simply apply it underneath the area. And this is just something you're going to do every morning and every night to help reduce the problem. And the more you do it, the better of a result you would see. You just want to directly apply it underneath your arm and you're going to see a dramatic change. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe.